Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I'm Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. So friends, as you know, I already say to you, we will try to complete two units from each paper. So from paper 6, 7, 8 and 9, from each paper two units are completed today. So today we are going to start again paper 6. From paper 6 we will try to do unit 3 today. Okay, if my videos are really helpful for you friends, then don't forget to like, share, and who are watching for the first time, they need to subscribe me to get more videos. Okay, so don't forget to like and share, and let's start unit 3 of paper 6. So friends, here you can see paper 6, from paper 6 unit 2, unit 3, not unit 2, social change and education. Okay, the unit name is social change and education. We will see now. See, from here only we can know, we will read about the social change, the meaning, their definition, their formation, everything, and what is the relationship between social change and education, like that only. Yes or no? So what are the important questions are there in this unit? We will see now. What is social change? Write the technological factors of it. Write about the attributes of modernization. Role of education is modernization. Concept and characteristics of social stratification. Social mobility. Education is a facilitator for social change. Explain. The last question is, what is social networking? State its advantages of social networking. Okay, so now we'll do one by one from unit 3. So friends, the first question is about social change. What? Social change. So this question may come in 5 marks and 15 marks. Okay, so this question is important. So friends, now we'll see what do you mean by social change. So friends, what do you mean by change? What do you think? Change means what? Modification of the past thing or past behavior. Alteration or different, you can say that, no? So here social change. Social change means change in society. Yes or no? So let's see what is the meaning of social change. Social change involves alteration. I already said alteration. Remember the word alteration of the social order of a society. Alteration of the social order of a society. It may include changes. What are the changes? Social institution, change in social institutions, social behavior, social relations, change in social institutions, social behavior and social relationships. Okay, now in or we can say another definition. Social change is used to indicate changes that take place in human interaction, changes in human interaction and interrelationship. So friends, what do you mean by social change? Alteration of social order, change of human interaction or interrelations is called social change. Okay, now we'll see. Change is law of nature. It's true. It's fact. You know friends, change will happen in everywhere. Change, change in us also helping. Our age, what happening? Our age day to day increasing. So change is law of nature. Changes may be partial or and total. So changes, it can be changed partially or fully. Okay, for example, what are the changes, social changes? women's education, change in women's education. In before, in ancient times, there is no education to girls. Yes or no? Industrial revolution happened, technology development happened. These are the changes. Formation of nations, states. See, formation of nation states. See about Jammu and Kashmir. What happened? See Ladakh. Okay. Now we'll see the definition. What is the definition of social change? I already said social change means what? In alteration or modification of social order, or change in human interaction and interrelationship. So here we will see the definition. According to MacIver and Page, what they said, social change is the change in the social relationships. Same only. Social relationships. He said change in the social relationships. Another philosopher said, according to Houston and Hunt, social change refers to changes in the social structure. Change in social structure, social, here also social relationships of the society. So friends, do you understand what do you mean by social change? Change in the structure of society, social relationships. Okay? Please remember. Now we'll see the process of social change. What? Process of social change. So, what is the process of social change? How it happens? We'll see now. Friends, first, what will happen? How the change will happen? Change in the experience of an individual. So, experience, change in experience. So, if experience will change, you will experience something new or something different. What will happen to you? Your attitude will change. Your attitude will change. Yes or no? After that, your attitude will change means what will change? Change in the social interaction. Change in social interaction. In change in interaction will happen. What will happen? Change in social relation. In social relation will change happen. Social structure will change. So that will lead to social change. Okay, you are experiencing something, you are facing some problems, or you are not okay, for example, you are facing some problem or you are facing something new. Okay, so then your attitude will change. So your attitude change means your social interaction will change. If social interaction will change, the social relation will change. If relation will change, the change in social structure will happen. The structure will change. Then it leads to social change. Okay? EAIRS. EAIRS मतलब क्या है? E for change in experience, A for attitude, I for social interaction, R for social relation, S for structure, social structure, social structure, social relation, social interaction. This is attitude, this is experience. Okay, this is the process of social change. Experience, attitude, interaction, relation, structure. This lead to social change. Okay, dear friends. Now, forms of social change, types of social change, we can say. So, what are the types of social change? Friends, it is political change, change in polity, yeah? Political change, economic change, moral change, religious change, scientific change. Political, economic, moral, religious, and scientific. Okay, these fives are there. Five types are there. So, what do you mean by political change? Friends, change in political power. Change in political power. Here shortcut, this is pol. Okay, political power, change in the political power, change in the structure, the function, change in function. Okay, so power will change or structure means no, before in that group or in that post, two members are there means one member increased or one member decreased. So change in structure, change in function, it is political change. Economic change, who help in economy, change in industry, agriculture, business, and trader trade, change in trade. These all are come under economic change. What is moral change? Change in values, religious principles, beliefs. Okay, religious change means what? Conversion from one religion to another religion. Scientific change means change by technology, new inventions, new theories. Okay, these are the form of social change: political, economic, moral, religious, scientific. Now we'll see factors responsible for social change. Please remember, it is important for your exam. Factors responsible for social change. What are the factors? Physical factor, biological factor, technological factor, cultural factor. Okay? Physical, biological, technical, and cultural factor. Okay, now we'll see one by one. What is physical factor, biological factor? So friends, physical factor, what do you mean by physical? Tell me. Physical means it can be our body, the main part, the environment. So change in environment or change in the nature is called what? Physical change. So environment or change nature continues to change. Continuously the our environment changes. Okay? See, for example, this is our street, okay? Here one house, here one house, here one area is there, gap, okay? Here no house is there, here another house. Okay, after some times here also house will come. Okay? So change in the environment, nature, impact on human life and society. Yes, if the our environment will change, it is impact our life and society. Yes or no? So change in surface of earth. So what are the physical changes can will happen? Surface of earth can change, climate change, rainfall, forests, minerals, flood, animals, etc. What happening? Changes. Change in climate, change in rainfall. Sometimes rainfall will be more, sometimes no rainfall. So rate and direction of the social change, how much will change and which direction it will change, are governed by physical environment. It depends our physical environment. It depends our climate. It depends our forest, how much forest area is covers in our state or in our country, like that. Second one, biological factor. So what do you mean by biological factor? Biological factor plays an important role in social change. Okay. So friends, ordinarily or generally you can say biological factor. Biological factor refers to genetics. Yes or no? Biography. Genetics constituents of human being. So human beings depend on animals, plants, birds. Yes or no? So change in the number affect human life. We are depend on the plants, animals, birds. If anything will happen to that, if the changes in happen to the animals or plants, it will impact our life too. Yes or no? So rapid population growth also. Rapid population growth will happen means what will happen? Poverty will occur, food shortage will happen, health problems will start, unemployment will start. If unemployment there is what? Crime will start, migration, urbanization, they all lead to come under biological factor. Now technological factor. See the first question here. What is the social change? Write the technological factor of it. This is 5 mark question. So technological factor. Technology means you everybody know na. So technological factor plays important role in social change. Yes, by technology so many changes are happened. So development of science and technology brought tremendous changes in our society. Okay, rapid change in our society. So technology is fast growing. So we can say the modern age to age of technology. You can say this is the age of technology. Yes or no? Development of wheel. What happened? Development of wheel. So how it help us in transportation? If transportation is good means production will improve. Development of electronics also help us. Development of industries also help us for decrease the unemployment. Yes or no? Now we'll go to cultural factor. So what do you mean by cultural factor? Culture. Culture is the part of society. Yes. Both are interwoven and inseparable. We can't separate culture and society. Okay. So cultural change leads to social change. Change in culture means it, it is what? Social change. Culture. Culture is what? Acquired behavior. We are sharing or transmitted among members of the society. Culture. So change in language, belief, values, principles, religion or philosophy all come under social change. Change in these factors, we can say that social change. For example, child marriage. So now what happened? Child marriage is what? Banned, prohibited. Widow remarriage, sati pratha, these are what? Prohibited. Now this is all about, friends, social change. Types of, what do you mean by social change? Definition, what is the process, and what are the forms, the 5 forms, and factors responsible for social change. Physical. Physical means the climate change, the environment change. Okay. Biological change means change in human life, change in animal number of animals, plants. Technological factor means change in science and technology, development of new inventions or things. Cultural factor means change in culture, our dressing, our talking style, everything changing. Yes or no? This is all about social change. I hope you understood what you mean by social change. If my videos are really helpful for you friends, then don't forget to please like, share and subscribe. Okay, here one short glance is there, you can see this is the change in what social change we can say. This is the technology age and modern age. Okay, village to town and city. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like. Namaste.